Two people went like this. Yeah! The rest of you like this going. Come on, Austria!
Lucky Diamond Rich, z vpisom v Guinnessovo knjigo rekordov od leta 2006 tudi uradno najbolj tetoviran človek na svetu, je pretekli vikend v okviru turneje Wildstyle obiskal Graz.
So you've come all the way from Australia. When did you arrive to Europe?
I arrived about 2 weeks ago, then I went to Las Vegas, got married with by Elvis in Las Vegas with my wife, and yeah, we came back to London, and then we came on tour.
And you're on the tour for how long?
For the whole tour, yeah.
How do you become the world's most tattooed man?
Well, I mean, all you got to do is sit there like this man here and just get tattooed. I mean, approximately 1,400 hours is, I think, around the time I've been tattooed for by hundreds of tattoo artists. So.
How much pain is that?
It's only pain in the moment. I can only describe pain when it's actually happening. I can't really talk about it when it's not. The most that hurts is the one you're getting.
What was your first tattoo and when did you get it?
It was a little one on my hip when I was 16 and I was in Australia travelling with a circus. I liked tattoos when I was a kid. I used to buy the bubble gum from the shop and you used to get like a little temporary tattoo you put on your skin.
So now there is no more free spot on your body, or is there?
Well, I'm ink on ink, you know, so it's layers on layers now. So there's always a free spot, you know. It just depends on whether it shows or not, you know.
And I saw and I heard that you're doing now white tattoos on your black skin.
Correct, yeah, correct. So it's just another possibility.
Does it ever stop, or?
Well, that's up to tattoo. It's not up to me. I'm 100% healthy and my skin's fine. I'm 39, so, you know, maybe when I'm 60 or 70 it might be a bit saggier, but that's about it.
How do people react when you arrive to a place?
Oh, it's different all the time. It's like the weather. Sometimes it rains, sometimes it's sunny, you know. I can't control it, I just go with it, you know. What other people think of me is none of my business.
Today we are going to see a show of yours. What are we going to see?
You're going to see someone having fun.
What about the chainsaw jungling?
You're giving too much away, come on.
Isn't that really dangerous?
Of course. Yeah, that's what they pay me for. That's why my name's Lucky.
Poškodoval se k sreče še ni, zelo veliko potuje, a pravi, da si je takšno življenje sam izbral. Nikakor ne bi mogel biti v redni pisarniški službi od 9 do 5. Z ženo še letos načrtujeta otroka, vendar pa to še ne pomeni, da se bo umiril.
Slovenija!